everybody, and welcome to LJ Law, Family Law TV. My name is Bonnie Leonardo, and I am a Nevada licensed attorney. Today's topic is a very difficult one that I come across quite a bit with my divorced parents, and it is a child's refusal to abide by a court order regarding visitation with the parents. Oftentimes, we have older children who are refusing the court order visitations with the parents. And, this could be due to the fact that the children are upset with the divorce. They're angry, they're resentful. It's inconvenient for them to go between one home and the other, to see some friends in one parent's home and not be able to see them in another parent's home. For whatever reason, the child is refusing to abide by the court order. It is important, first of all, as a parent, to be sure that you protect your child, to make sure that there's no issues of possible child abuse that are occurring that might be making the child hesitant to go to the visitation schedule. Also, it is also important for the parents to protect themselves as well. It is a court order, and there are consequences for violating a court order. With that being said, there are no formal guidelines on how to handle a child's refusal for visitation. The best a parent can do is to offer their best attempt at complying with the custody order. In a shared custody or visitation agreement, it's the role of each parent to make sure that the children are available for visitation with the other parent. If one parent sees in any way that the other parent is failing to do so, they're well within their rights to issue what is called an order to show cause. This is simply an order before the court, letting the court know that one parent is violating the court's order. And so that parent must go to court and explain to the judge why it is that they are violating the court's order. Taking the following measurements may help you in a situation where your child is refusing to abide by the court order and go to the visitations with the other parent. The first thing you might want to do is document every instance where your child is refusing the visitation, the scheduled visitation. Document it, put in the timestamp, the date stamp, and the reasons why the refusal of the child. The second thing I would recommend is contacting the other parent and getting them involved. Let them know that this is what's occurring. Maybe they can talk to the child. Maybe between the both of you, you can make the child understand that, one, it is important for the relationship of the family, and two, it is a court-mandated order and it must be followed. That might help you in trying to ease the child into understanding that it's okay, this is fine, and this is what needs to happen now, and that both parents are on board. And if that doesn't work, the third thing I would suggest is a therapist. Sometimes we need somebody who is better prepared to handle this kind of situation, somebody who has dealt with children and has the credibility and the information and the knowledge to help us ease the child and transition the child into this divorce, because it's a difficult process for everybody involved. And so the therapist might be something that might be necessary and might be well serve the whole family. So those are the three things that I would suggest that a parent do when we have a situation where a child is refusing visitation. It is not uncommon. It happens quite a bit, mostly with the older children. And as long as the parents are working together and showing the court that there is no violation purposely being done, the court is better able to help guide the situation and help the parents with this difficult time. I hope this has helped you. If you find this helpful, please share it with someone who might need it or like it. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.
At LJ, we make your problems go away.